Alright, we found a leak in the evaporator coil, so we're going to pull this one out, and we got the new coil that's going in. It's going to be an aluminum coil, which are known to be better for not leaking, and so let's get this coil out of here. Should just slide straight out. I've already got the condensate drain cut loose, the suction line, liquid line is cut loose, everything, the doors are out of the way, so it should pull right out of there. It's got a double drain pan. Okay, here we go. Looks like it might be catching a little bit on the bottom here. There's the auxiliary, or the horizontal drain pan that goes in with a horizontal application. Got some water in it. Just going to set that right over here. Pour the water in the bucket. Looks like swamp water. Basically, this is just an A coil that would be installed like this in an upflow application, and for this horizontal install, it's just turned sideways like that. It's sitting in the horizontal drain pan. So, out with a bad, in with a good.